waffles and jam. That sounds good. And this railway here is very, very important. You see the link from Flom. Everything is coming into Flom with the boats. Take all the post and passenger and goods from Flom up to Myrdal. And there is a connection to Oslo Bergen. When you come into Myrdal, there's about 7 hours with train to our capital, Oslo. And the other direction go to Bergen. So there's the Bergen line, 2.5 hours to Bergen. And this railway here is very, very important. In the past, I took all things, the goods and everything passed with carriage and horses. But coming more and more, they had to do a decision. They made planning this railway. It took about 20 years. It cost 20 million and 20 tons. And all that is done by the Norwegian people. You know there's the Second World War started in 1940. Then, but
That was a
is done
nice
by the
place.
Norwegian people. And all the school children, they use this railway every day, go up and down from and the primary school is the red building in Flom here. And most of the people, sorry. They're living about 452 inhabitants in Flom. They live up in the head of the valley. It's coming nearly about 500,000 tourists every summer, more like an anthill, from April until October. And this railway here is the third steepest railway in the world. That means 1 to 18. For every 18 meter you have run away, you're rising 1 meter. I know this trip is my own pocket. I'm coming back and say look there and look there. Thank you.
Hello there.
See the kind of snow
That house in there.
Red building, that is Peterdown Station. That is where this train line connects to the main line that goes to the Oslo Bergen train.
Nu släppte du en gård. Det är det. Toppen där. Då ser du den skurken där. Järnvägen uppe där.
Lumabas kami. Wow, totoong yelo. Oh. First time ko lang tapak ng yelo ng ganito ah. Wow, ang ganda. Oh, ha? Ang mga yelo. Kukuha sila ng mga picture. Sa Norway to, Flom Railway. Ganda yung yelo. Sa mostly in mountains. Ito yung train na okay. So, tingin mo na ako, kuha muna ako ng picture. Ang ganda. Grabe ang lamig dito. Magis eh. Ganda ng view. First time ko nakatapak sa inyo. As in, yelo talaga. Dito masarap magtinda ng halo-halo. Okay, take some picture. Mas maganda yung view dito. Okay, so tiyatawag na kami. Okay, they are going back to the train. They just only gave us 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to take a picture. Yeah. Okay, so, babay na. Tatawag na tayo ng kapitan. Oh?
Yes, please. Stop on the return.
Retorno, senhor. This is where they have the silk because it's still on.
The altitude's higher, so it didn't
Yeah.
help you.
Maliliit na ba?
So the next station we are going to leave the train. Go out, get off the train to Vatnas. Remember all your belongings.
Okay, so bumaba na kami. This is your eyes. Oh,
No, man.
snow. Okay, snow. Now, stop over.
Stop and travel
Take,
my.
yeah. Are we going to 10:15 until 10:15? Yeah. So it's a kind of rainy. Take some pictures. Okay, so punta ata kami ng hotel ngayon. No? Wow, first time ko nakakita ng ganito ah. Yung mga napapanood ko lang sa movie ah. No? Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda dito. Ang araw. Lamig. Okay, so we're going to the tour. English? Hotel. Take a break. Break. Some coffee. Waffle. Yeah. Stop over. We need some stop over.
They told me the bus number, the bus, what is it?
No, there's no bus.
No bus?
Yeah, the only train.
So why you gave us the number?
Kita mo talaga, first time na makatapak tayo ng yelo. Tubig-tubig pa. Pwede magtinda ng halo-halo dito ah. Ganda tumira dito. So medyo conflict lang kasi iba-ibang lahi. Hindi mo German, Espanyol, Mexicano. So, minsan the problem is the communication. Huh? So it's kind of hard. So, magko-coffee lang muna sila dito tsaka waffles. This is nice view. I love this. Take some picture. So, tumigil muna kami. Ito kumakain ako ngayon ng waffles. Ito yung parang stopover nila sa hotel. May kape, tsaka waffles. Siguro mga 1 hour muna kami dito. Take some pictures and videos. That's maganda na yan. Okay, so ito yung hotel na pinag-ano namin, no? Nag-check up namin. Stay namin ng kape, tsaka. So, labas muna tayo. Still have 15 minutes. Oh, grabe. Nice. Yeah. Can you take some photo with me? Yeah. Hindi ko makita kung nakukunan ko ba yan. Ganda ng view dito, no? Sarap maglaro ng snow. Sobrang liwanag. Hindi ko makita yung iba. Ang ganda dito, oh. Paaraw pero malamig. Everything is white. Yeah. I can take pictures if you want. That is a good shot. There. It's a good background, right? Shit. This one is deep.
This one, please.
Yeah. So that is the tour guide. So in 5 minutes we're going to hop on a train. Gandang lugar na to, napakasimple. Ayun, may bahay dun ah. Tapos ito yung hotel, kaya konti-konti lang yung tao dito. Okay, almost at the top of the mountain. Yeah. So I don't know kung nakikita pa ba ako, masyado maliwanag. Oh, fucking shit. Masyado siyang malambot. Nababasa-basa. Can you hold this for a minute? It's already recording.
Okay.
Yeah. This was nice. This is real snow. Thanks.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, time to go back. Yung snow na yun, no? Song natin. Ayan, may nalalaglag na tubig-tubig. So there is a small village.
¿Síndrido es eso, hielo o agua?
Yo digo que es hielo.
Es hielo, ¿no?
Sa mga napapanood kong movies.
O es como una especie de malla o...
Es lo que no sé si es una malla.
Talent.
Es lo que se encanta abajo. No, suena a hielo.
Okay. Take a walk. Yes, snow nila, oh. Puti. Ang mga duda nila. Ayan. Ayan, mountain. Gantay kami ng isa pang train. Ang cute na snow. Dito kami sa pinakatuktok ng bundok kasi. Around Norway. So, thank you Lord for this opportunity to see the world. Only signed up.
Soon, to the right, we will have a view of the Flom Valley through an opening in the tunnel.
I only signed up for today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tenderport, right?
Geringer?
Yeah, Geringer, Tenderport. We have a tour there at 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is the tunnel. Pinababa ulit kami bago bumalik. Bago matapos yung tour. So, wala nga rin naman masyadong makita dito. Ito lang. Wala. Falls na lang. This one is nice. I love the beach there. The water there is very cold. No? Why is it very cold there?
Is it the Pacific Ocean?
It was kind of, it looks like an Arab desert, you know, an Arab desert because the sand there is brown.
It's a desert.
It's a desert.
Yeah.
In a Cabo.
Cabo is desert.
And then when you touch the water, it's very cold.
Very cold, yeah.
I've heard it's a famous beach in Mexico, Cabo.
Very famous.
There are lots of Hollywood actors and actors. That was
Railways Bergvall, platform to the left. Due
Pabalik na kami. Ang ganda.
How is this the big one? We passed the big one on the way down.
Ang ganda. Ito yung isang train. Dito lang sa isang lugar na to section mayroong double train. Sa iba wala na. Yeah, pakasimple ng buhay nila. Ayan o. That was nice. Matago sa likod ng mga
Flom, platform to the left-hand side. If you would like to learn more about the Flom Railway's history, we recommend you to visit the Flom Railway Museum. The museum is located in the yellow building on the right side of the station area. Free entrance for everyone. Thank you for traveling the Flom Railway.
So
I
this
hope
is
you have
it.
enjoyed your journey.
This is it. They paid around 100 bucks. That was nice. Cute ng mga bahay nila. Yay! Pabalik na tayo ng port. So if you live here, you get a nice and simple, quiet type of living. Very nice. Napakatahimik. Wala nga akong makikitang batang tumatawid-tawid, tumatakbo-takbo. So, at the middle of all those high mountains. Pabalik na tayo. Yun lang yung tour. See? Wow, ayan yung mga fog, no? Wow, ganda ng view. This is it, and these are the mountains. See? Very beautiful. Hindi matatawaran kung lugar na nakita mo, no? Napakaganda. Napakalamig. This is nice, very very nice. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I've been in Norway. Okay, can you show me one
I'm looking for panorama.
panorama? Oh yeah.
My phone have panorama.
Wow, that's cool. Just like in the movies.
Panorama, I got. Wait, panorama.
Kita mo yan, oh. Yung fog nila, oh. Ganda, oh. Dito lang yung bundok, oh. Ang ganda. Well, for the first time in my life, I saw a ship. I saw a mountain. The top of the ice. No. It's not my first time. It's my second time. I've been in the Iceland before, but this is much more snow. Yeah, it's much more good than Iceland. Much more good place. Alright, so we still have one more Flom Norway to go back here. So next week mag-internet na lang ako na